Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Osama, and today we're talking about using statistical softwares and summarizing data in medical statistics. In this lecture, we're going to talk about statistical software packages, planning the analysis, types of data, summarizing quantitative and categorical data, and also diagrams and graphs in summarizing the data. So starting off, we'll talk about statistical software packages, and we're going to talk about what do statistical packages do, how statistical packages work, and how can we transfer data between different statistical packages. In the next section, we're going to talk about planning the analysis, in which we're going to talk about extracting the relevant results from the overall results. We're also going to talk about handling the missing data and in the planning analysis. And we're also going to talk about variables and statistics. In the third section, we're going to talk about types of data, in which we're going to focus on the quantitative and categorical data. We're also going to talk about interval and ratio scales. In the next section, we're going to talk about summarizing quantitative and categorical data, in which we're going to talk about measures of center of data or central tendency. We're also going to talk about measures of variability, and we're also going to talk about how to choose a summary measure and what is a correct summary measure in which case. In the last section, we're going to talk about diagrams and graphs, in which we're going to take a look at the different type of diagrams and graphs which are used in summarizing the data. We're also going to talk about shapes of distribution of diagrams and graphs, and we're also going to talk about positively and negatively skewed data. That's all about the summary of this lecture. Keep on watching sqadia.com for more information.